What is the legal definition of stalking in family law? Imagine feeling constantly watched or followed by someone you know well. That uneasy feeling is what family law defines as stalking. It is more than just annoying. It is a pattern of behavior that causes real fear or distress. In family law, stalking is legally described as a series of repeated actions directed at a specific person. These actions make the victim feel afraid, emotionally upset, or threatened. It can include following someone around, making repeated calls or messages, monitoring their movements, or even spying on them without permission. The key point is that these behaviors happen over time, not just once. It is a pattern of conduct, not a single incident. The behavior is aimed at a particular person, often someone in the same family or household. This could be an ex-partner, a spouse, or a family member with whom the victim has a close relationship. The actions must cause the victim to feel fear or emotional pain. They might worry about their safety or feel overwhelmed by the constant harassment. Importantly, the behavior must have no legitimate purpose. It is not about normal interactions but about harassment, intimidation, or trying to control someone. Even if the stalker does not mean to frighten the victim, if they should reasonably know their actions are threatening, it still counts as stalking. For example, if someone repeatedly shows up at a person's home or workplace without permission, it can be considered stalking. In family law cases, stalking is often linked to domestic violence. Courts may issue stalking protection orders or restraining orders to stop the behavior. These orders legally prevent the stalker from contacting or approaching the victim. Victims can seek these orders to help feel safe and stop the harassment. Courts look at the pattern of behavior and how it affects the victim, not just physical harm. Law enforcement and courts do not need proof of physical violence or explicit threats to act. If the behavior causes reasonable fear or emotional distress, that is enough. Family courts may also consider stalking when making decisions about child custody or visitation. They want to ensure the safety of everyone involved. In summary, stalking in family law is a pattern of repeated, threatening, or harassing actions directed at someone you know well. It aims to control or frighten the victim, and legal protections are available to stop it and keep people safe.